Hey guys, welcome to just a super quick video on how to disassemble the lens for the Fujica 35 SE vintage film camera. I saw some guidance online which said that basically this ring that says Fuji Synchro MXL on it is glued and you need to dissolve it and then put it up. I found that is actually not the case on the Fujica 35 SE. So I just thought I'd make a quick video showing how to do it. So I've already loosened this before, so it's a bit easier. But essentially get something rubbery. Ideally you have a specialized tool for this. I'm just using a bicycle tire. And essentially you want to just press it on this raised inner ring. And then turn it with as much friction as you can put on it. And then once you've loosened it, you are able to just twist it. And there you go, easy as that. You can now access the aperture and shutter blades, the lens, or as in my case where my shutter speed ring is loose, you can go ahead and tighten these screws here to make it tight again. One of my screws seems a bit stripped, but so far seems to mostly hold fine like this.